And the row as far as Jaya Bachchan is concerned versus Jagdeep Dhankar in Rajya Sabha continue today as well. It is Jaya Bachchan who raised an objection to putting Amitabh in her name. She said that she is Jaya Bachchan and that putting Amitabh in her name, while Dhankar went on to say, "Do not school me." And just right after that, it was the opposition led by Sonia Gandhi that staged a walkout as far as Rajya Sabha is concerned. Let's just listen in to the reactions coming in.
Honorable members, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan is the last speaker on this point. Please, ma'am.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ, और सर मुझे माफ करिएगा मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji,
and I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Take your seat. Take your seat. You have earned a great reputation. You know, an actor is subject to the director. You have not seen what I see from here. Every day, I don't want to repeat. I don't want schooling. I am a person who has gone out of the way. And you say, my tone? No seat given to you. No, don't have floor now. No, enough of it. Enough of it. No, enough of it. You can't have it. You may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. No, nothing doing.
And to get more on this, we have my colleague Vasudha joining us. Vasudha, it is the tone and the expression to which it is Jaya Bachchan who raised the objection, and it was Dhankar who had gone on to say that do not school me. Of course, due to which the opposition staged that walkout from the Rajya Sabha that was led by Sonia Gandhi.
Absolutely. The opposition has made it about women's respect and dignity. Jaya Bachchan has cited problems with the fact that, she's often been referred to as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, and this played out even when the Deputy Chairman Harivansh was introducing her. At the same time, this did play out even with Mr. Dhankar. Mr. Dhankar has been talking, the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar, has been, very sort of like, he's been very clear that he wants discipline in the house, decorum in the house. So today, when he did introduce her by the same name, she did take offense to it. And of course, then this led to a vote of words, and he also told her not to school him and respect his position. This is something that played out yesterday also, because he did walk out of the house for a few minutes, and he followed the Gandhian principle of staying back. So, because the opposition was protesting continuously even when he was speaking. So clearly, there is a lot of tug of war, and today was expected to be a lighter day because it's a private member's bill. But of course, all the women MPs of the opposition have come out and they are protesting, and they're making it about women's dignity, and they've also demanded an apology from Mr. Dhankar.